Moving on again to another subject, and this is about voting rights. I know that that is something that you have been a champion of, and there is legislation that has been pending. Is there any movement on that?
Yes, as a matter of fact, there's movement today on the John Lewis Voting Rights Act. We're going to pass that legislation today and send it over to the Senate. Basically what it does is restores elements of the Voting Rights Act that were taken out in the 2013 Supreme Court decision. Frankly, what we've done is updated the Voting Rights Act with new knowledge, new information derived from hearings that have been held, so that the criticism of the Voting Rights Act, and that is that it was based upon old information, can be set aside. This will be an updated version of the Voting Rights Act, and essentially what it will do is ensure that any of those jurisdictions, states, counties, municipalities that have a history of discriminatory actions against people who are just trying to cast their vote, and this is mostly discriminatory actions based on race, those sorts of actions will cause those jurisdictions to have to get pre-clearance from the Justice Department before making any changes in their voting procedures. This has been the way since 1965 that we prevented people in jurisdictions from doing what they used to do in the South, and that is basically ensure that no African Americans can vote. We don't want to see that happen. John Lewis lived for that. He spent his life dedicated to it. We have named this bill in his honor. And as you know, John was a friend of mine. So it's not just a matter of policy. It's actually pretty personal for me as well.